Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Muhammad Mudassar Shahzad from Division of Science and Technology, University of Education, Lahore. The main teacher for the subject Zoo Geography and Paleontology. The co-teacher is Muhammad Ahsan Ashraf, who is the lecturer in Faisalabad campus, University of Education, Lahore. Today, he will teach you about the first practical of zoo geography, in which you will be able to investigate about the animals that are present in different regions of the world. As you already know that there are approximately 6 biological regions in world in which different animals are present. Today in this practical class, we will discuss about these animals that are present in all of these different zoogeographical regions. Now I am going to hand over to Mr. Muhammad Ahsan Ashraf.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. We are going to discuss over practical of zoo geography and paleontology, and the practical is study of fauna of various zoo geographical regions. We will start with the first region, Oriental region, because there are 6 major zoo geographical regions in which the world is divided. The first one of these 6 regions is Oriental region. Each region is further subdivided into different regions. For example, the Oriental region is divided into first sub-region is Indian sub-region. This sub-region includes North India and central part. It starts from the root of Himalaya and extend up to Malabar coast. Here is the Himalaya from which this Indian sub-region starts. The fauna of Indian sub-region, there is no peculiar genus of either mammalia or birds. Some African types are more abundant. For example, antelopes, peacock, Indian bison, black elephant and snakes. Here are the diagrams and pictures of these organisms: the peacock, Indian bison, black buck, the elephant, Indian gazelle and nilgai. These are the reptiles: the turtle, Himalayan pit viper and the python. Fun of Indochina sub-region. This is the second sub-region of the Oriental region. The greatest variety of mammalia and birds and almost all the more important groups are represented. 3 genera of mammalia and 44 genera of birds are peculiar to this sub-region. It includes gibbon, rhinoceros, turtles, tortoise, etc. These are the gibbons. This is the tortoise, Indian rhinoceros and turtles. The third sub-region of Oriental region is the Ceylon sub-region. In this, the birds are about 450 species of birds, nearly 250 are resident and 23 are endemic, of which the majority are found in the lowland zone and the rainforests of the hill country, and others are migratory. These are the diagrams of the endemic birds of this Ceylonese sub-region. This is a jungle fowl and whistling thrush. Mammals. There are 113 mammal species. 1 is critically endangered, 10 are endangered, 10 are vulnerable, 3 are near threatened. Others are red slender lories, elephants and nilgai. These are the elephant, lories and nilgai. Fourth sub-region is Indo-Malayan sub-region. The fauna of this Indo-Malayan sub-region is consists of 14 genera of mammalia. There are more than 40 genera of birds which are wholly peculiar to it. Red-vented bulbul and a rock pigeon are shown over here. Similarly, gibbon, lories, elephant and Indian rhinoceros. Fishes. Fish fauna of Oriental region will resemble that of Ethiopian region. Oriental fish fauna is dominated by carps and catfishes. Here is a catfish, that is flathead catfish. Amphibians in Oriental region. Urodales means tailed amphibians are absent. Common frog and toad are common. Rana species and Hyla species, these are present in the Oriental region. This is the Hyla tree frog and this is the Indian bullfrog. Endemic reptiles to Oriental region. The endemic reptile families include Elachistodontid, means egg-eating snakes, Uropeltidae, shield-tail snake, Lanthanotid, lizards, Gavialidae, gavials, and Platysternidae, that is big-headed turtle. Here are the pictures of these endemic families. This is the shield-tail snake, this is the egg-eating snake, then big-headed turtle, this is the gavial, and this is the lizard belonging to class family Lanthanotid. Then the snakes variety of the Oriental region includes python, this is the krait, Indian cobra, and Russell's viper. The other reptiles are the crocodile, monitor lizard, and geckos. Birds of Oriental region. There are 66 families of birds, more than 340 genera of land birds, and 165 are peculiar to this region. About 961 species are total present in this region. The endemic family is Euryalmidae, means long-tailed broad bills. Here is the long-tailed broad-billed bird is shown. Woodpecker, peacock, pigeons, kingfisher, crows, bulbul, babbler, orioles, weaver birds are also present in the Oriental region. This is a green bee-eater, this is golden oriole, streak weaver, and baya weaver. The Oriental region contains a good variety of pheasants, for example the cheer pheasant, Himalayan mulan, Koklas pheasant, and Kalich pheasant. These are the different pheasants present in Oriental region. Then common babbler, golden bagged woodpecker, crow, and manna. They are also commonly seen in this region. Rock pigeon, red-vented bulbul, white-breasted kingfisher, and pied thrush. These are also included in bird variety of Oriental region. Then commonly seen birds are house sparrow, rose-ringed parrot, and peacock. These are the particularly present in the Indian sub-region of the Oriental region. Mammals of Oriental region. This region includes 30 mammalian families, 11 subfamilies, 303 genera, and 1000 species. The endemic families of mammals in the Oriental region are Hylobatidae, which consists of gibbons, Tarsidae, the tarsiers, Tupadidae, means tree shrew, and Galeopithecidae, means flying lemur. These are the gibbons, tarsiers, these are the tree shrew, then the flying lemur, tapir, and pangolin. These are the major endemic mammalian families of Oriental region. Further, the mammals are Asiatic lion, Indian rhinoceros, and hangul, grey golden langur, nilgai, and the elephants. They are also the major mammalian fauna of Oriental region. Then black buck, orangutan, sloth bear, Indian gazelle, camel, and monkey. They are also present in Oriental region. The second region of the zoogeographical regions is Ethiopian region. This Ethiopian region mainly consists of African part. Division of Ethiopian region. It consists of East African sub-region, West African sub-region, South African sub-region, Malagasy sub-region. So it consists of these four sub-regions. Fauna of East African sub-region. In the East African sub-region, camel, zebra, lion, and giraffe. These are the major mammalian fauna. Then fauna of West African sub-region. The mammalian fauna of West African sub-region consists of panthers, elephants, great apes, gorilla, and gibbon. Fauna of South African sub-region. The major fauna of South African sub-region consists of lungfishes, secretory birds, and rats. Malagasy sub-region. This island was separated from the mainland after the development of lemurs. It has no connection with the mainland. So here the major fauna consists of the lemurs. These are the dominated species of this Malagasy sub-region. Endemic families of the Ethiopian region are Hippopotamidae, consists of hippopotamus, then Orycteropidae, consists of aardvarks, then Chrysocoloridae, consists of golden moles, then Anemaluridae, that is flying squirrels, Giraffidae, consists of giraffe, and Potamegalidae, consists of otter shrew. These are the endemic families of the Ethiopian region. Then the elephant shrew, spring hares, cane rat, gunids, rock rat, and sand burrowing rodents families. These are also among the endemic families of Ethiopian region. Next region is the Palearctic region. The fishes of Palearctic region, it mainly includes great white shark. Here is the picture of this great white shark. Brook lamprey, Atlantic sailfish, Atlantic salmon, Atlantic trout. Here is the picture of the trout. Brown trout, paddlefish in China. Birds of Palearctic region. They mainly include hawks, ducks, stork, cuckoos, kingfishers, swifts, blackbirds, finches, grebes, loons, etc. There are no parrots in this Palearctic region. The only family restricted to this region is Prunellidae family. Here are the hawk, ducks, stork, and cuckoos. These are the major bird fauna of the Palearctic region. Similarly, white-breasted kingfishers, also known as tree kingfisher, breast and throat are white in color, other body parts are colorful, legs and bill are also colorful. And the swifts. Swifts, they are aerial bird. They are closely related to swallow due to lifestyle based catching insects in flight. It has very short legs. Then the blackbird, Chaffinch, grebe, and loons, they are also present in the Palearctic region. Blackbird, also known as Eurasian blackbird, totally black except of a yellow eyes, ring and bill and rich melodious song. Chaffinch, these are the seed eaters. It is present typically in well woodland area but sometimes found in mountains or even in desert. Gravies, these are the freshwater diving bird. Small to medium sized bird have lobed toes and excellent swimmers and divers. The loons which is shown in the previous slide are aquatic bird. It is present in northern Eurasia. It has webbed toes. The mammal of the Palearctic regions are brown bear, red panda, red deer and giant panda. Similarly, elks, reindeer, wildcat and rabbits are also present in Palearctic region. Polar bear, red squirrel, porcupine and pangolin. These are also the fauna of Palearctic region. Unique mammals. The two families of mammals that are unique to this region are both of rodents, namely Cephalacidae, means they are the cephalax, and Salvinidae, means they consist of the Salvinia. Cephalax is a brown yellow burrowing rat with no tail, while Salvinia is mainly remarkable because it was discovered in 1938 in Kazakhstan. Here are the diagrams of these two endemic families. This is the Cephalax and this is the Salvinia. Then the reptilian fauna of the Palearctic region is consist of keeled box turtle, marginated tortoise, true pit viper, monitor lizard, dice snake and Chinese alligator. Amphibians of the Palearctic region are newts, cave-dwelling salamanders, frog and common toad. The next region is the Australian region. The Australian region has 134 families of terrestrial vertebrates, of which 30 families are unique. The families consist of mammals, they are 8 in number. The bird families are 17. Reptiles constitute 3 families over here, and amphibians, they have 2 families in Australian region. These are the primitive forms in this Australian region. They include mammals such as monotremes, which are called as the egg-laying mammals, and also the marsupials, which are the pouched mammals. They are present as unique fauna of this region. Here are the monotremes or the egg-laying mammals. The only surviving example of monotremes are duck-billed platypus and spiny echidna. The marsupials in the Australian regions are mainly kangaroo, opossum and koala bear. Then the Parma wallaby and western grey kangaroo, they are present in Australian region. Phalanger, South hairy nose wombat and golden bandicoot, they are also present in Australian region. Bird fauna. Bird fauna is very peculiar. It is also very unique. 10 families are unique, include those of flightless birds, emus and cassowaries, honeyeaters, birds of paradise, or are all commonly found, while there is no pheasant, woodpeckers, barbets, finches, which are so abundant in other regions. These are the painted honey eater, and these are the different species of the honey eaters. Parrots are so diverse that they are recognized as 3 exclusive subfamilies. One is the cockatoos, second are the lories and the pygmy parrots. This is the palm cockatoo and sulfur crested cockatoo. Then the chattering lory, and these are the other subfamily of the parrots, that is the lories. Then the third family, subfamily of the parrots is the pygmy parrots. These are the different types of the parrots shown in the this picture, which represent the diverse fauna of Australian region about the parrots. Then rainbow lorikeet, the great Osigala, Australian electus parrot, blue ring parakeet, Australian king parrot, and the green ring-necked. Here is the macaw, then black-headed cap parrot. These are the different hawk-headed Borkes parrot, Edwards fig parrot. So these are the very diverse species of the parrots present in the Australian region. Then common lyrebird. Here is the Menura superba, which are present in Australian region. Satin bowerbird. Then red-nabbed trogon, red bird of paradise. These are the emus and toothbill pigeon. These are also present in the Australian region. Then the southern cassowary and kagu. Here is the red-backed kingfisher and fan-tailed cuckoo. Amphibian fauna of Australian region. Amphibians are few. Common toads are absent. Tree frog and common frogs are present. Tailed amphibia are absent. These are the torrent tree frog and sunset frog. These are present in the Australian sub-region. Reptilian fauna. Australian reptiles are moderately varied. Only two families are exclusive to this region. One is the Ceratocalidae, fly river turtle, and Pygopodidae, scale-footed lizard. This is the fly river turtle, and here is the scale-footed lizard. Then the Komodo dragon and saltwater crocodile. Although there are 250 species of lizards, but all are small ones. Among large lizard, Komodo dragon is notable, and crocodiles occur in tropical parts of this region. So these are the belongs to large size lizards of this region. Freshwater fish fauna is very poor. Lungfish is found in rivers of Queensland. This is the lungfish. Mountain shrimp and freshwater mussel are also found. This is the freshwater mussel, Trigonia, and this is the mountain shrimp. Next region is the Neotropical region. The major ecological regions, it is divided into 4 subregions. First one is the Chilean subregion, second is Brazilian subregion, then the Mexican subregion, and last one is West Indies subregion. Chilean subregion consists of 3-toed ostrich called Rhea americana. Here is the Rhea americana. Clams and oil birds are common. These 3 species are common in Chilean subregion. Then the Brazilian subregion. It consists of American monkey, blood-sucking bats, which are also called as the vampires, and armadillos, which are the armored animals. These are the these are present in this Brazilian subregion. Then the Mexican subregion. It consists of tapirs, mud terrapines. These 2 species are common in this Mexican subregion. One is of reptiles and one belongs to mammals. Then the fishes consist of the guppy fish, lungfish, and catfish, the characins. Then the gymnotids, electric eel, are not related to mormyrids of Ethiopian region. These are the mormyrids and these are the gymnotids. These are the electric eel, but this was present in the Ethiopian region. This gymnotid did not related to this mormyrid of Ethiopian region. 14 families of amphibians in the Neotropical region are Buffonidae, Centrolenidae, Dendrobatidae, Hylidae, Leptodactylidae, Microhylidae, Pipidae, Rhinidae, Rhinophyrinidae, Ambistomidae, Plethodontidae, Salmontidae, Sirenidae, and Cecilidae. These are different families of amphibians present in Neotropical region. Here are the some of the representative organisms diagrams. This is the harlequin frog. This is the pipa frog, tree frog, and poisonous dart frog. Then caecilians and salamanders, these are present in the Neotropical region. Then these caimans, side-necked turtle, tigers, geckos, anaconda, and agamid lizard. These are also present in the reptilian fauna of the Neotropical region. Then coral snake, pit vipers, Haloderma, and boas. These are the again reptilian fauna of the Neotropical region. Then birds in Neotropical regions are rheas, tinamous, ducks, and pigeons. Parrots, woodpeckers, toucans, and macaws are also present in Neotropical region. Then horzins, trumpeters, tanagers, and hummingbirds. These are also the avian fauna of Neotropical region. Then ovenbirds and antbirds. These are also seen in Neotropical region. Mammals in Neotropical region. The Neotropical region consists of the armored animals, which are the armadillo and the sloth. These are among the mammals which are the armored mammals. South American monkeys. South American monkeys are diverse as they are brilliantly colored with flat nose and prehensile tail. They are also smaller in size. They belong to two families, namely Cebidae and Callitheriidae. More than 60 different kinds of opossum live in South America and one in North America, the Virginia opossum. These are the Virginia opossum. American marsupials. Marsupials were present in the Australian region, but opossum are the marsupials which are also present in the America. So these are the American opossum and red opossums. These are also present in the Neotropical region. Then the last region is the Nearctic region. The fauna of Californian subregion. This is the first subregion of the Nearctic region is California subregion. Fauna of this subregion includes 86 families of vertebrates that include vampire and free-tailed bats. These are the vampire and free-tailed bats. Birds of Californian subregion. Few genera of birds are quite peculiar to this subregion. Glossidium, a genus of owls, is confined to California. The following genera are very characteristic of the subregion and some of them almost confined to it. That is Myadestes salvividae, then Salptri Paridae, then the Cyanocita, then the Piscicorvus corvidae, and Hesperifauna. These are different bird families which are confined to this region. These are the diagrams of these families. Reptiles of Californian subregion. All the large North American groups of lizard and snakes are represented here, but in tortoises it is deficient owing to the absence of lakes and large rivers. So the mainly lizards and snakes are abundant and tortoises are scarce in this Californian subregion. Amphibians of Californian subregion. California possesses two genera of salamanders. One is the Anidae and then second one is the Herodidae. which do not extend to the other sub-region. So these are the salamander families. Fish of Californian subregion. There are two or three peculiar genera of Cyprinidae, but the subregion is comparatively poor in this group. So these are the fishes. Fauna of Rocky Mountain subregion. This is another subregion. Fauna of this subregion contain 107 families of terrestrial vertebrates. There are pronghorns, that is Antilocaprae, mountain goat, Haploceras, American bison, prairie dogs, Cynomys, and Haloderma. These are the diagrams of these families. Fauna of Allegheny subregion. The fauna of this subregion include opossum, star-nosed mole, vampire bats, turkeys, and mud eel, the siren. This is the opossum, star-nosed mole, turkeys, vampire, and the mud eel. Fauna of Canadian subregion. The fauna is poor and resembles Palearctic region. There are reindeer, sheep, bisons, lemmings, polar bear, elk, and Arctic fox. These are the different fauna of this mountainous region. Consists of the reindeer, polar bear, then the fox, Arctic fox, lemmings. These are present in this sub-region. Fauna of Nearctic region. Nearctic region mammals are rabbits, squirrels, crested rat and mice, dogs, mustelids, weasel fam, sea otter, weasels, badger, ferret, etc., cats and bats, muskrat. These are the otters and rabbits, squirrels, rats. These are the shown over here. Birds in Nearctic region. There are 49 families of birds in this region, out of which 39 are widely distributed. Exclusive birds are red cardinals, hummingbirds, and tanagers, which are present in these areas, and wild turkeys, golden plover migrate from the Europe. Reptiles in Nearctic region. There are rich number of reptiles like musk turtle, snapping turtles, box turtle, gopher tortoises, garter snakes, geckos, horned lizards, legless lizard, and Gila monster. These are the reptiles in this Nearctic region, which will be shown in the upcoming slides. Amphibians in Nearctic region are Urodales, includes salamanders, hellbender, neotanic larva called axolotl, eel-like siren, the Congo eel, and tiger salamander. Newts include smooth newt, great crested newts, banded newt, alpine newt, Bosca's newt. There are dusky salamanders, red-backed salamander, and Jordan's salamander. Amphibians. Anurans include American bell toad, Leopelma, North American bullfrog, and leopard frog found in grassy meadows. The desert spade-foot toad is adapted to the arid climate of northwestern America. Other toad species are oak toad, southwestern toad, and the giant toad, which is 20 cm long. Endemic mammals of Nearctic regions are pocket gopher, pocket mice, Aplodontia, and pronghorns. Endemic reptiles, they are the legless lizard, Gila monster, horned lizard, gopher tortoise, and the garter snakes. So this was all about the different types of the fauna present in different zoogeographical regions of the world. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.